How to download and install Firefox on your MacBook. First open on your Safari browser. Type on Firefox. Type Firefox on Google. And this is the Firefox official website, www.mozilla.org, or you can go here, but I want to go Firefox official website. Download Firefox, press on it and wait a minute, press on allow, and it's downloading. You have to press on firefox.dmg file, double click on, and this is the Firefox. Now press and hold this icon and drag and drop with this file. You see it's installing. Wait a minute to complete install. Okay, it's done. Now you have to click on to open it. Firefox and app downloaded. First time you want to this kind of interface, you have to open it. Press on open. Now this is already launched. If you want to pin on it, then keep in dock. It's already. And if you want to remove, then just unmark this one when you and this is my Firefox. This is how you can easily download and install Firefox on your MacBook. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.